Hello, my name is Sorin and I welcome you to the Affiliate Marketing Guide, the 5 steps method to fast track money online. Now, allow me to take just 2 minutes out of your time and let me ask you something. Are you still struggling in finding a way to generate an online income even with all the push button software and trainings you have bought and watched? I know that most likely your answer is yes, and if it's not and you are already generating some income, you wouldn't be here if you weren't looking for another way. The truth is that there are many ways of making money online that work, but none is as easy as it seems. I'm an online entrepreneur for almost 5 years now, and I know how much hard work is involved in operating a profitable online business. But in the last couple of months, I've tested a method with some friends that worked not fast, but almost instantly. It's an affiliate marketing method. You probably know already what affiliate marketing is. You just promote somebody else's product, service or offer and you are paid a commission for every sale that is made. Sounds cool, right? It actually is. There are people on the internet making 6 figures a month from affiliate commissions, but it took them tons of work and years to get there. Now, the method that I will teach you in this course will not make you 6 figures overnight, but it will help you make a couple of $100s in your first month with just a couple of hours of work. Just have a look at the test I've made with less than a day's work and see the proof for yourself. I wanted you to see this proof because I wanted you to see that this is for real, and if it worked for me, then it can also work for you. In this course, I will practically teach you the 5 steps that you have to apply in order to start earning from this method right away and create your new online income stream. Obviously, after that, it's just up to you how much effort and dedication you will put into it in order to scale it to what level of income you want. I'm 100% sure that if you apply all that you learn here, you will get results, and that is why you have a 30-day money-back guarantee for this course, so there is no risk whatsoever involved for you. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you on the other side in the course. Bye bye.